Hi, I'm Maribel Lopez, the founder and principal analyst at Lopez Research. Remote work finally arrived in 2020, and it changed the security landscape forever. While most organizations were forced to support remote work during the pandemic, 82% of the companies that Lopez Research interviewed in early 2021 said that remote work is here to stay. Remote work shattered the notion of perimeter-based security, and many IT leaders discovered that their PC strategy was not supporting their security strategy. For example, employees were accessing corporate resources with their own devices, opening up the company to new threats. And in many cases, older computing platforms lacked the hardware-based security to prevent today's modern attacks. Meanwhile, almost all organizations discovered that their security software patches were out of date. Corporations widely adopted VPN technology, but discovered that VPNs alone are not enough to protect today's modern threat environment. Today, companies across the globe are reevaluating their remote work security strategies. Lopez Research calls this the move from remote light to remote right. If you're designing a security strategy today, you need to ensure that you are protecting at each layer of the stack, from the devices through the network and into the application. A modern client computing environment should provide at least 3 security attributes. The first is a hardware root of trust. The second is remote manageability. And the third is recovery and resiliency of the device. A hardware root of trust provides a secure enclave that verifies the BIOS's integrity at boot before the CPU runs any code. This ensures that the machine is only running trusted firmware. Attestation is another aspect of this that verifies that the software that's running hasn't been tampered with. In an environment where remote workers can't physically have someone help them troubleshoot a machine, remote management is critical. And from an IT perspective, remote management means that you can manage all of the devices the same way, regardless of location. And finally, in the event that a machine is compromised, you want that device to have the ability to recover and restore to the point before the breach. With these 3 attributes, you'll be able to provide a secure, compliant computing solution that is the foundation for all of your company's security efforts.